All right, when it comes to fonts and text, it's important to remember that the fonts on your computer don't exist on every computer. So you've probably downloaded hundreds of fonts onto your computer. If you create a work and you leave it as text that looks like this right here when you select it, then when you send it to your clients, yourself on a different computer, the printer, they're not going to have your font most likely. They don't want to have to go download your font either. So this creates a real problem. If you can still highlight your text like this when you're done with your work and type in letters, you probably got a little bit of an issue. Before you send anything to me on a project, you need to create outlines on your text. So that means when you highlight your text like this, you go up to Type, Create Outlines, and it turns it from text that looks like this to actual shapes. Shapes that can be manipulated and changed. Shapes that aren't dependent on the font that you have on your computer. Shapes I can see. If you do not convert your text to shapes, all that's going to show up is something that looks like this. It's Myriad Pro in a pink box with gray text, and it looks terrible. You do not want your client seeing stuff like this. So make sure you're sending in the right file with all of your type as created outlines. That way I can see all of the magical work that you've done in this, all right?